Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to learn how to say thank you in Chinese. I have already taught in the first part of my HSK1 lesson 2 video that the most common way to say thank you is 谢谢. So whenever someone help you or gives you something, you can say 谢谢 with a smile. But what if you want to make your thanks more personal and warm? In this case, you can say 谢谢你, 谢谢你. The word 你 means you. So by saying 谢谢你, you are directly thanking the person. Look at this picture. A kind man helps a lady pick up her dropped funds. She smiles and says, 谢谢你. Isn't that warm and friendly response? When do we use 谢谢你? Let's see how we can use this phrase in our daily life. Look at the picture. Anna forgot her book at home. Her friend Leo notices and kindly gives his book to help. Anna feels grateful. She smiles and says, 谢谢你. It means thank you in a warm and personal way. Now you know how to say thank you, but what if someone says 谢谢你 to you? How do you reply? You can reply with 不客气, 不客气, which means you are welcome. Look at this image. A lady gives a gift to her friend. The friend says 谢谢你 and she replies with a kind smile. 不客气, 不客气. Isn't that nice and polite? That's it for today. Now you know how to say thank you and you are welcome in Chinese. Keep practicing and use this phrase in your daily life. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Learn Chinese with Taranum for more Chinese learning videos. Till the next video, goodbye. 再见.